Another anchor ready? Well, maybe put 3 anchors total, team. Good, okay. Here's my next anchor. Can I snap cut to me now? Cut right here, long. Good. Here's my cutter. I got the cutter. No, here you got the cutter. Hand me the cutter, please. Thanks, Paul. So we got this one in here, Cody. All right. Grab her to me now, please. Okay, you can relax. Good job. That's hard to do. Okay, so we got our first one in there. Let's just see if we can grab a little more, get a feel for.
Put one west of it?
Yeah, I think so. We'll see. We'll bring one up here. Yeah. Back in through here. We're going to bring that up to that. See, that's it. Up to this. Excellent. Good. So I'm going to want to grab. I'm going to probably grab way over to here to bring this over to here, like to tighten up that capsule. Right. Okay. Yeah. So let's put right. Move your hand. Good. Let's put it. I want to put you to put about right there. Right to there. Good. Right at that interface. That's terrific. Then we'll put one more right up here. A little more. Just a little more south. Just a little half a skinch.
West or?
Right down here. Right there. Right. Beautiful. Okay. Hold it steady. No.
I don't want to run in that other anchor.
You'll be fine. No. Relax. Let me do it. A little lower. A little south.
A little west?
You call that west? I want it right there. Good. Hold it. Hold it. You got that? Good. That's my spot. I know. But you don't count. Anchor. Good. Nice and steady. Mallet, Chief. You go put this in. Good. Hold that steady. Left hand steady. Thank you. Anchor goes in. Mallet. Good. All right. Pull that out. Excellent. Okay, watch the sutures. Now I'm going to pull one of these out the front. Good. Excellent. That's the correct one. See, it doesn't go through the loop there. Okay, now one more lasso. We're doing very well, Cody. Okay, now I want to grab right over here where I saw it right there. Big grab there. Grab all this in through here. Beautiful. That's a good grab. Okay, Paul, pull that out. Terrific. Beautiful. You can grab it like that too. Excellent. Not too fast. Well, let me get it in here. Okay, go and pull it up. Good. Get it through. Excellent. Very good. Okay, now what I do is I pull this down like that. See, now I know, watch when I do this. See that step, I know I've got the suture. Now you can tow it out like that. Bring it back out all the way. And there it is. Okay. Pull that through. That's going to be my post to make that short. Make this long. Make that short. Good. That's the post. We'll go to pause. Okay.